we can see here is the raw material in stock, and on the right is the temporary material storage. Compressors, sheet metals, evaporator, condenser, and other large accessories are placed here, which can be quickly moved to the production line. Now, let's look at the production range that everyone is interested in. Go!
Dehumidifiers all have the compressors, and every unit will use. After it installed, it can enter the production line soon. The next step is also evaporator and condenser. Our professionals assemble all the parts of the dehumidifier.
The packaging of our products is mainly divided into carton packing and wooden box packing. Here is the carton packaging machine. After the cartons are packed, we will be fixed with the cable ties, as here. Inside is the wooden box packing workshop. There is equipment for the carton wood, carton box, wooden base, and boxes, which can better protect the transportation security. Then we will arrange the cargo shipment. We place the different series of raw materials on our shelves. When there are many orders, the ISIL will store items temporarily and then be ready to ship on the same day. This side is the carton storage area. ODM, OEM cartons are all here. There are 2 rows of carton filled with azoles, which are used for domestic market. This is our small accessory warehouse, such as mainboards, power cords, advertising plates, etc. Here are copper pipes, also used in the dehumidifier inside. Now, let we come into the finished machine warehouse. Here, we will prepare some stocks in advance for urgent orders, mainly for the domestic market. For those exported products, we schedule for production time and then produce because of the difference in the language of the equipment.
Now we come to the first floor. This is also our warehouse, which is used for the storage of raw materials. It is consistent with the second floor warehouse introduced just now. The main reason is that our orders can be arranged in more timely manner, and the large quantity of material orders can better control procurement costs. The above is our whole factory inspection process today. I believe you will have a primary understanding of our factory. Any problems, why not contact us today? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye!